Hello, in this video, I'll show you how you can arrange a local shipment on Terminal Africa. First, visit the website terminal.africa. Then click on the login button at the top right corner of the web page. Alright, so you'll be required to put in your username and password. If you don't remember your username or password, click on the Forgot Password button. If you don't have an account, click on the Create Account button. I'll link a guide in the video description on how to create an account. It's pretty simple. So put in your username and password, which is your email and password. Click on the login button. Once you're in your account, you can either click on the book shipment button here, or you click on new shipments here. I'll use this one. So I click on the book shipment button, and I'll be required to put in the sender's information. So here I can put in the name and address of the sender, which is me in this case. Enter the country, state, city, and zip code. Include a valid phone number and click on continue. Next, you'll be required to put in the receiver's information, which includes their name, email address, phone number, and address. Click on the continue button to proceed. Now you need to add the item you're actually sending. Okay, so under Parcel 1, I can add an item. Now Parcel 1 represents a package, so different items can go into that package. Now go ahead and add an item. Click on the Add Item button. Include the item name, category, subcategory, HS code, the weight, the quantity, and then the item value. Click on the Save Item button to proceed. Alright, so I can choose to add another parcel by clicking this button, but that will make it a multi-parcel shipment. For this tutorial, we're only focused on sending one item, but it's a very similar process. You just add the parcel, then you add the items in that parcel. I'll click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, we'll be required to select the courier. After selecting your courier, click on the Continue button to proceed. You can choose to add insurance for your package. Click on the Continue button to proceed. The parcel information is correctly entered. The courier of your choice is selected. You may need to top up your wallet to be able to pay for your shipment. And then you proceed to make payment. So you click on the Make Payment button. I'll link the video of how to top up your wallet in the description. Hit Done. And as you can see, you can actually track your shipment and know the progress. You also get an email notification, so I'll just head on to my email and show you what the notification looks like. Here's the information about the shipment I just created. You can see the sender's address and the receiver's address, and every other information about the shipment. I can also view the shipment from here as well. Alright, so that's how you book a local shipment using Terminal. Thank you for watching.